Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. I wanted to make a follow-up video on this Livingston heavy metal pedal that I covered probably like a week or two ago, I think it would have been. It's basically what I called the worst pedal I've ever tried. And I still stand by that absolutely, but I did want to see if I could get a decent tone out of it. So what I did is I mucked around with it, found a setting that kind of worked, and then I put a tube screamer in front of it just to see how that helped. And I actually think it helped immensely. So let me show you what setup we're going with, and then we'll have a quick listen to it. So here is our Livingston heavy metal, which a lot of people have said looks like cake, and I do agree. It kind of looks like cake fondant or cake icing or whatever. Anyway, they're the settings we're going with. Level, about there. All the way up, it's still not at unity, so we're just going to bring it back there because it's just easy for my ears to take. Tones pretty much all the way down. Yep, that's all the way down, and gain is all the way down as well. Then we've got my old, this is a TS9 from the early 80s. We started with everything rolled back a bit, and we just brought everything up as we went. And I kind of landed on this sort of sound, maybe that a bit further actually. But yeah, this has really helped the sound of this pedal. So we're playing that into this Laney amp that is on loan to me through this Fender cab, which sounds fantastic, with my PRS, which you can see through there. Not that that matters with this pedal. So it's a real quick video. I just wanted to show you how it sounded. So we're about to listen to that. So let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I might experiment with an EQ pedal after as well and see, how that helps. But for now, this Ibanez Tube Screamer is really doing what a Tube Screamer does. So let's have a listen. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.